Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on gold. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. Last week, despite the higher than expected inflation figures and the less dovish Powell, the market's pricing remained largely unchanged at three rate cuts by the end of 2025. This might be a signal that the market is now fine with the current pricing, and we will need stronger reasons to price out the remaining rate cuts. This opened the door for some pullback, with gold rising back above the key technical levels. In the bigger picture, gold remains in a bullish trend, as real yields will likely continue to fall amid the Fed's easing cycle, but the short term corrections will be triggered by repricing in rate cuts expectations. Now, the daily chart, we can see that gold managed to bounce back and rise above the major trend line around the 2600 level. The buyers will likely pile in around these levels with a defined risk below the trend line to position for a rally into a new all-time high. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price falling back below the trend line to position for a drop into the next major trend line around the 2400 level. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have a downward trend line defining the bearish momentum. The sellers will likely lean on this trend line to position for the break below this major trend line, while the buyers will look for a break higher to increase the bullish bets into a new all-time high. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have an upward trend line defining the current bullish momentum. If we were to get a pullback, the buyers will likely lean on the trend line to keep pushing into new highs, while the sellers will look for a break lower to increase the bearish bets into new lows. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, this week is pretty empty on the data front, with the most important releases scheduled for the latter part of the week. On Thursday, we get the latest US jobless claims figures, while on Friday, we conclude the week with the US flash PMIs.